Alright, I was going to do a walk around video of the 79 Ramcharger. I bought this, it was May of 22, so almost 4 years ago. And it's just a beast. It's all-wheel drive, 318, 4-speed. Just did the cold start video so you could see that. It's patina. Did a little bit of Poppy's patina clear coat on it. And these are the best because they got the steel fully removable top on them. Roll cage. But it's at the point somebody can just drive it like it is and enjoy it. Or if you want to take it to the next level and do a full restoration and paint job, you can. And once it's fully restored, price definitely shoots up on these, but it's got some awesome patina on it. It's the original color, frost green. No signs of repainting, just some primer here and there to protect it. But starting at the front, you know, it's got a good clean grill. You know, fully restored one of these grills will run you $1,000. There's some dings and dents in the grill, you know, same as the bumper, but it's all in all in really clean condition. All the lights work, turn signals. You know, there was some spots of rust in there. You got the original dog dish caps, original painted green wheels, and Yokohama Geolanders on there. They're 31 10.5s, what it came with stock. And I do have the matching spare as well. But you know, you can see some work in here that's been done just to seal it up. You know, nothing paint quality would still need to be coated, skim coated and cleaned up. Looking at the windshield, you know, the rubber seals nice and clean. Wipers do work. There's no chips or dings in it. Wing windows. You got the pulling mirrors on it. You know, same down here. Some work was done on that. I'm not a professional, but you got some killer patina too up here on the top. Again, the seals around the rear windows in good shape. Back bumper, you know, if you're wanting to make it clean, you could paint it black or get another one if you wanted. All new carpet. I needed to clean it up, and so I had the seats recovered, black vinyl, new black carpet kit. I did source a dash out of Canada. It was hard to find. That dash alone cost me almost $1,000 to find the original frost green. It was on there, and you can see a little bit more work on there. Again, some cool patina marks. Windows all roll up and down nicely. Original interior painted, this original color I should say. But you got the black seats, black center console, black door panels, and then I hooked up some dome lights front and back here, so you can see back seat is all redone. And so the front floors were replaced, and the back floor in front of the seat was not. So you've got that if you wanted to get it perfect, but the dash I found is perfect out of Canada, and that isn't painted. That's the original color as it came from the factory. Gonna walk back around here and show you the driver's side. You got the original gauges, went through, rebuilt the whole dash, so everything's fully functional. Alternator, fuel, temp, oil, speedos within a couple miles of accuracy. Original stereo, it's not hooked up. Four-wheel drive, low, lock, high lock, and neutral. Rear view mirror, you can see on the headliner just like it was from the factory, all metal. And then you do have the flip forward seat. Get into the back. So I put a newer model in here, so you got either the flip on the side or the handle in the back, and basically you just flip the handle. She tilts right up, sets against the windshield, then you can get into your back seat. But we'll get it out on the road, do a driving video, and then let me know if you have any other questions. You know, if you look at the jams themselves, no rust, they're in good condition. And I'll show you this side as well. The original placard and sticker. There you go.